We all use apps to make our lives easier, but when was the last time you used an app to make your life better? I'm Dr. Emily Morse, sexologist and host of the Sex with Emily podcast, and this is the We Connect app by WeVibe. It's super easy to use and loaded with unique controls that make it the ultimate link between you, your partner, and your WeVibe. But before I get into the features and technology and all that, I want to talk about intimacy. Now, I know you love how your WeVibe feels, but what if I told you it was also the key to enhancing your intimate connection? See, when you use your toy with the WeConnect app, it can do so much more than deliver pleasure. It's a tool for self-exploration, a way to intensify couples play, or it can be a long-distance link between you and your lover. I'm excited to show you exactly how to use the WeConnect app to change not only the way you think about intimacy, but the way you experience it. To get started, download the WeConnect app from the App Store or Google Play. Then get ready for a whole new way to explore.